Hello. I want to add some health potions and mana just um a I want to add a health potion. I want to call this potions. Right click, blueprint class. Call it make it actor. I want to call it potion parent. I want to right click it, create a child blueprint class. Call it health potion. I want to control D, or I can right click and duplicate it. It comes out as a child potion parent. I want to call it a mana. We don't have magic in this tutorial, so I'm just gonna do health potion, and you can duplicate it over for your projects with magic. Oh wow, what's going on? Oh, we don't need the aim offsets. Let's get rid of the aim offsets. I think. Let's see if our character still works. It does. Okay, I don't know what. I haven't even touched this project since we've left. It's been a couple hours. um, Potions. Here's a potion parent. We learn a little bit about classes real quick. I'll go into the potion parent. I want to add a sphere for maybe with the potion pot, potion bottle. And just for appearance's sake, I want to add a cylinder, potion top. Um, I want to click R on this potion top and kind of shrink it down, and then just kind of stick it out the top of this. Turn snapping down. See how large this all is? Okay, that's appropriate. But I don't want to. Yeah, I do want to. We don't really need a child class for this because we don't have a category of static mesh. Um, well, let's see. Static mesh. Sorry, static mesh. Static mesh. Sphere? No, yeah, it doesn't work. Sphere is it's a default shape in the engine. So we don't need this health. We're going to copy this back over. This potion parent's going to be just our health potion. I renamed that when I pasted it in because it was already named this the way I wanted it to be. So I'm going to delete the name the way I wanted it to be. Go back in to the altered name for safety and delete the safety character at the end. It's not an official term. I just had to change the name a little bit in order to paste the name over and then delete the old one. So I want to create a material, potion bottle material. We can click for constant. I want to make this a green potion. A little darker. Like that maybe. I want to get a 1 for specular and make it 1. I want to get a 1 for roughness and make it 1. Okay. Well, no, I don't want to do that. There we go. Now we can close the death button, the player state, the jump land, the player character animation graph. Let's go to health potion. Let's go to potion bottle. The material I want to be potion bottle material. And then I want to create a material for the top. I want to control D this. I want to call it potion bottle top material. Control S and enter this. I want to change the color to something like brown. And then I want this to be, it's okay, let's change this -1 to a 1. And apply that. Health potion, bottle top. Okay, this is our potion. So let's look at it. Here's our potion. It's off the ground. I wonder if we could go to potion bottle and simulate physics and just make the linear dampening 1, the angular dampening 1. It's actually a little larger than I thought it was going to be. We need to make that smaller. So let's make this like 0.25. 0.25. Let's look at it now. Here's our potion. Okay, potion bottle. On add a box collision. Potion bottle pickup area. Potion bottle pickup area. Oops. Go to the event graph. On begin overlap. Other actor. Cast a player character. I'll go to player character. I want to get potion, health, potion count. I want this to be a float. So how are we going to use the potion? Let's create an input called use potion. Let's make it F. Let's go to player character. Input action, use potion. Health potion count is greater than 0. Then let's get health. Get health. Set health. Yeah, sorry. Plus, we'll make this health potion. Health increase. Set that back into here. And I want to print string. So every time we use it, we know how many we have. And then I want to actually decrement the health potion. Health potion count. Subtract. Set health potion count. Subtract 1. Go back to health potion. Let's get health potion count. Let's add 1 to it. This is self potion count. Just for your sake, and it's a 1. This potion is 1 of itself. Let's set this into set health potion count. Let's go to the potion bottle. We want to overlap. We want to generate overlap events. We want no character can step on. Ignore everything. Overlap pawn. Potion top. Custom character cannot step up on. Ignore everything. Overlap pawn. Potion bottle pickup area. Yes, overlap events. No, cannot step up on custom. Ignore everything. Overlap pawn. When we do this, we want to destroy the actor. Let's go to. Well, let's test this first. It went through the ground. Let's go here. Custom world static block. There we go. We picked it up. I pressed F and we had 1. I pressed F again, we have none. Let's go see how much health we have. This should say, I forget what we made it. Oh, okay. We didn't set the health potion health increase. Let's make it 20. Let's go pick up this health potion. Use it. Let's see if we can use it and then get attacked by the box. Yeah, now we have 20 health. Now we have 5 health. And then we died. There's no health potion this time, and we're gonna die immediately. So that works. That's a health potion. Thanks a lot. See you in the next one.